Today I'm going to show you how to use your Cotswold Craft Cottage plying guide. It has lots of different holes so that you can get different angles, but the basics is, if you're doing a 2-ply, I'm using some sort of slubby singles that I've made for a textured wool for some weaving. I'm going to use the holes that are furthest away from each other, but for a narrower angle you can use whichever holes you like. So I'm using the opposite ones here, and just thread through and put that down and just join on to your leader as you normally would. So once you've started, you've got your tension right and it's pulling in, all you need to do is hold your plying guide and allow your singles to feed through. And it will keep your angle right as you go. I'm trying to hold it so that you can see what's happening. What you need to do is keep it in line with the orifice so that it's going in neatly. You can put 2 fingers across the back if you like, it makes it easier to hold, and you can then put some tension on your singles. Don't forget to move along your hooks as you go. It just helps you hold your angles right. So if you've got a 3-ply or a 4-ply, you can put them at even spacings as well, and it'll help you get a thicker ply to spin evenly.